Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to mark an appointment booking order as fulfilled in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to your website, click on Manage Store. This way, you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, to mark an appointment booking as fulfilled, it's simple. Just go to orders. And as you see here, some orders, I have multiple orders. Some are fulfilled like this one, and some are cancelled or unfulfilled. When you complete an appointment order and you want to mark it as fulfilled, just open it like this. Then click on mark as completed. If you have completed the service, mark it as completed. Yes, mark as completed. And just like that, item fulfilled. And here next to the order number, you will see fulfilled. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And just like that, item fulfilled. And here next to the order number, you will see fulfilled as you will see the order status switched to fulfilled. If you go back to the orders, same thing here. You will see fulfilled below the fulfillment column. And this is how to mark an appointment booking as fulfilled in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.